Hi, welcome to Gran Canaria Uncovered. Today is a Sunday afternoon. It's very warm, maybe 25 degrees centigrade, and we're in the beautiful little village resort of Agaete. You may never have heard Agaete, and yes, as you will see shortly, actually it's a very popular place. But the reason you've probably not heard of it is because this is down on the southwest coast, the opposite side to all these well-known resorts, and it's very popular with Canarians. As you will see, this is a really charming place. I'm sure you will love it, and maybe this is a place you may consider visiting in the future. Agaete is one of the two deep water ports owned by Canaria. This is where you get the ferry to Tenerife. It takes about 60 minutes to sail over there, and there are regular sailings throughout the day. The other place to catch the ferry from the deep harbour is in Las Palmas, the capital.